Dear students, today we will start study of continents South America. As you know, South America is the fourth largest continent and it is a part of Latin America. Latin America is the name given to the region formed by South America, Central America, Mexico, and the West Indies. Do you know the reason for this name? Latin was the language of the ancient Romans, and a number of European languages such as Portuguese, Spanish, and Italian have developed from this ancient language. People speaking these languages are called the Latin people. The region is called Latin America because a large number of people, mainly from Portugal and Spain, had settled in these countries, and today they form the majority of the population there. Location of South America. South America is the fourth largest continent of the world. South America lies between 12 degrees north and 55 degrees south latitudes. The equator passes through the northern part of the continent almost at the mouth of the river Amazon. South America extends longitudinally between 35 degrees west and 81 degrees west. Boundaries. South America is almost surrounded by ocean except in the north where it is joined to North America by the Isthmus of Panama. It has the Pacific Ocean on the west and the Atlantic Ocean on the east. The southernmost tip of South America is known as the Cape Horn. Coastline. South America has a smooth coastline except in the extreme southwest. The only sites for good harbors lie at the mouth of rivers. Islands. There are a few islands off the coast of South America. The Galapagos Island lie at the equator in the Pacific Ocean. The Falkland Islands, which are a crown territory of UK, lie off the southeast coast in the Atlantic Ocean. The land. South America is a continent of physical variations. The continent can be divided into four major regions: the western coastal strip, the western mountains, the central plains, the eastern highlands. The western coastal strip. Along the eastern coast, there is a narrow strip of lowland stretching from north to south. Chile occupies the southern half of this lowland. The Atacama Desert lies in this coastal strip. The western mountains. The mountains form almost a wall along the western coast of South America. This mountain system is called the Andes. Andes are young-fold mountains. The Andes are called young-fold mountains because they have been formed during the recent period of the Earth's history. Andes mountains run from Caribbean Sea in the north to the southern tip of South America. Andes mountains are formed by three main ranges enclosing the high plateaus, which are called Intermontane Plateau, and Lake Titicaca, one of the largest lakes of South America, is situated in this plateau. Mountain Aconcagua, the highest peak in the Andes, is 6,969 meters high. There are a number of volcanic peaks in this mountain system. The Central Plains. The Central Plains are low plains and are formed by the basins of the river Orinoco, Amazon, and La Plata. The Amazon rises in the Andes and flows through Brazil before falling into the Atlantic Ocean. The central lowlands are broader in the north and narrow in the south. This region can be divided into three main parts. The Orinoco Valley. The northern part, south of the Guiana Highlands, is the Orinoco Valley, and this part is also called Llanos. And the Amazon Basin. This part lies in the south of Llanos and is formed by river Amazon and its tributaries. This area is covered by equatorial rainforest called the selvas. The La Plata. The southern part of the central plain is formed by the La Plata river system. The grasslands of this part are called the Pampas. The Eastern Highlands. The Eastern Highlands along the Atlantic coast include Guiana Highlands and the Brazilian Highlands. These are much lower than the Andes. These are older than the Andes and are formed of ancient igneous rocks, sandstones, and lava flows. The streams flowing through these highlands form waterfalls, and one of them, Angel Falls, in the southern east part of Venezuela, is the highest waterfall in the world.